Sugess Watches for men bring a blend of elegance and functionality, making them a perfect choice for those who appreciate fine craftsmanship. The automatic mechanical watch with a Moonphase feature offers a celestial touch to your wrist, enhancing its appeal. This exquisite timepiece, available on Aliexpress, is powered by the reliable Seagull ST2108 Automatic Movement, ensuring precise timekeeping and smooth operation. The watch is built with durability in mind, featuring a 316L stainless steel case that guarantees longevity and resistance to corrosion. The Sapphire crystal dial window provides excellent scratch resistance, keeping the watch looking pristine even after prolonged use. The Roam Wave dial adds a sophisticated aesthetic, making it suitable for both casual and formal wear. One of the standout features is its 5-bar water resistance, allowing it to withstand splashes and daily exposure to water. While it's not designed for deep diving, it offers ample protection for everyday activities. The watch also includes date hands, ensuring practicality alongside style. Comfort is a priority with a leather strap that comes with a push-button hidden clasp, providing both security and ease of use. With a case diameter of 40 millimeters and a thickness of 12 millimeters, the watch strikes a perfect balance between boldness and subtlety. Weighing just 92 g, it remains comfortable for extended wear, and the 22mm strap width ensures a snug fit on the wrist. For those who appreciate open-heart watches like the Tissot Open Heart or the nostalgia of a Land Before Time watch, this Sugess timepiece offers an appealing alternative. The combination of high-quality materials, precise movement, and stylish design makes it a worthy addition to any watch collection.